Hi friends, welcome back to another Frosty Eye Candy Quickie. This kitchen sink pour is definitely going to be the kitchen sink pour. We're going to use up most of my little piggies, which I'm most worried about. I don't mind about the tube paints, but I can't bear to waste a piggy. Okay, so let's get these colours down, my friends. Oh, by the way, this is a 12-inch round with, as you know, some tricorn black colour to go. I'm very lucky. I still have a few cans left. I'm not sure how long it's going to last. Actually, I'm going to change my mind and switch it up. The last quickie, which was only on an 8-inch canvas, didn't use up half the paint. So on this one, I'm going to use a lot more. Okay, next we're going to have the turn of Comet. We love Comet. I love Comet so much, I'm going to put it all down there. Can't waste a drop of Comet. And to be honest, Comet is such a beautiful interference colour. If it does take over, that's not a bad thing. Okay, next we've got the TLP Sapphire, tiny little bit of sapphire, so I'm just going to pour it just around. There we go. Thank you, Sapphire. Now we're going to use up the very last of the TLP Velvet. Thank you very much, Velvet. Oops. Excellent. And now we're going to put down just a little bit of the Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. And that's it. I'm going to put the lid on the rest of that and save it for later. Okay, on the last little quickie we used the old Prussian blue activator. Now I'm going to use the titanium white activator this time with a drop of Prussian blue on the top, and we'll see how we go. Okay. Just going to give them a quick torch. I can see some bubbles in there. And as this is a quickie, let's use the torch rather than a pin. Excuse me while I blow this out. Wow. Blew a little hard there and blew straight through to the pillow, but let's see how this one comes out. I love just blowing at the edge of these nice large cells here, and you can actually make them bigger. Okay, excellent. Let's just pick it up, make sure it's all moving around as one. Looks pretty funky at the moment. And then let me try and get a good focus on it for you. So now we're going to spin her out. that's pretty crazy. I'm just going to wipe up this excess, because we don't need that flinging all around, or I certainly don't need that flinging all around my kitchen. Because yes, I, like many people, are kitchen artists. I do actually have some space that I could use in my house. I'm very fortunate, but it isn't as convenient as having the kitchen sink right next to you. Okay, so that was the clockwise spin. Let me just hold it up and let you have a look, guys. For a kitchen sink pour, I think this has come off pretty nicely. You can see the comet glistening gold and red on the corners. Okay, stop admiring, let's give it another spin. Oh wow, she's growing beautifully. There we go. I'm loving these sales at 6 o'clock here. Pretty fantastic. Well, from what looked like a bit of a bad blowout, turned into quite a beautiful bloom, which is lovely. Just wiping the excess of the paint again, guys. And we'll give her another spin. Wow. Yep, I think we're pretty good here. I really don't want to lose any more cells. We're really not having that much movement to the piece. So I'm just going to hold it here, and I might just let you have the close-up like this, because this is supposed to be a quickie. So there you go, my friends. You can see the ore playing, the comet playing beautifully there. And I love how the Amsterdam has picked up the white cell activator and acted with it. So, thank you very much for watching, my friends. Please like, subscribe, share my videos if you like what you see. Leave us a comment. And as always, friends, happy pouring.